Hello, dear students. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal, and today I am going to discuss Act 3rd of the play The Merchant of Venice with you. So, listen this audio multiple times for the better understanding of this act. So, first I am going to briefly explain Act 3rd scene first. Salanio and Salario discuss the rumor that Antonio has lost yet a second ship. Shylock enters and complains that both Salario and Salanio had something to do with his daughter's flight. So as you know that in the previous act, Jessica has eloped with Lorenzo. So here Shylock is accusing Salanio and Salario that they were also involved in her elopement. They do not deny it, but instead ask Shylock if he has heard about Antonio's losses. Shylock tells them that Antonio should look to his bond and make sure he repays the money, or else Shylock is planning on taking his pound of flesh. Shylock at this moment was very furious with Antonio, whom he blames for the loss of Jessica, and also bears an older grudge against the man. He then delivers his very famous speech and says that he will be revenged for all the times he has been treated badly by the Christians. Just then, one of Antonio's servants arrives and bids Salanio and Salario to go to Antonio's house. They leave, and Tubal, another Jew, arrives to speak with Shylock. Tubal has been in Genoa where he tried to locate Jessica. He tells Shylock that Jessica had been in the city and had spent over 80 ducats while there. She had also traded a turquoise ring for a monkey, a ring which Shylock regrets losing because he had received it from his wife Leigh. However, Tubal also brings Shylock news that Antonio has lost yet a third ship and is almost certain to go bankrupt in the near future. Shylock is excited by this news, since he has decided that he would rather exact revenge on Antonio than receive his 3,000 ducats back.